Jorel bought 16 kilos of rice for 680 pesos. If he will buy 3 more kilos of rice at the same price, how much more will he pay? Okay, so this is just a simple ratio and proportion problem. So this is a direct variation. Okay, since we are talking about kilos of rice and then its amount. So as the kilos, as the number of kilos increases, also the amount increases. Okay, so this is a direct variation. Okay, so let's write the column for kilos. We have K, we have 16 kilos, and then the amount. So let's write peso sign. So we have 16 kilos is to 680 pesos. Okay, if he will buy 3 more kilos. So if he will buy 3 more kilos of rice at the same price, how much more will he pay? So let's write variable n here. Okay, so just set up the proportion. We can use the colon form or the fraction form. Let's write in colon form. So we have 16 is to 680 equals 3 is to n. Okay? And then apply the rule in ratio and proportion. So just multiply the extremes. So we have 16 times n. 16n is equal to the product of the means 3 times 680. And then just solve for n, divide both sides by 16. Okay? So let's divide first. 680 divided by 16. Okay? Divide first. So we have 680 divided by 16. So to get the price per kilo. Okay, so 68 divided by 16. So we have 4. 4 times 16, that is equal to 64. Okay, so subtract this. We have 4. Bring down 0. Okay, so let's add 2 zeros. Put the decimal point here. So 40 divided by 16, we have 2. So 2 times 16, we have 32. And then subtract again, we have 8. Bring down 0. So we have 80 divided by 16, that is 5. 5 times 16 is 80. Okay? So therefore, the price per kilo is 42 pesos and 50 cents. Okay? So when we divide this, that is equal to 42 pesos and 50 cents. Now, let's multiply this to 3. Okay? So 42.50 times 3. Obviously, the answer must contain 50. So therefore, the answer is letter B. It's the only choices with 50 cents. Okay? So let's just prove. So 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 5, we have 15. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1. So we have 7. 3 times 4 is 12. We have 2 decimal places. So therefore, the decimal point should be here. 127 pesos and 50 cents. Letter B. Follow me for more content like this.